Welcome to NISER Policy Spotlight, a production from the Nigerian Institute of Social and Economic Research, Nigeria's foremost think tank. In this series, we share findings from our research and bring them to bear in data-driven solutions for social and economic issues in Nigeria. On today's episode, we present Shielding Growth, how financial development protects Nigeria's foreign direct investment from uncertainties.
Foreign direct investment, or FDI, is more than just capital. It is a lifeline for Nigeria, bringing in new technology, building human capital, and ensuring tax revenues that reduce our reliance on crude oil. But today, we face a double jeopardy. While our economy struggles with unstable growth, FDI inflows are simultaneously declining. As a result, investors are hesitant, and the reason is clear: uncertainty. From domestic insecurity and social unrest to global shocks such as the COVID-19 pandemic, the Russia-Ukraine war, and more recently, the US-Israel war on Iran, the message to investors has often been wait and see. But does uncertainty have to mean economic stagnation? Thirst no more. Water is here. Our recent study at NISER suggests a powerful alternative. Our research confirms that domestic uncertainty has a significant negative effect on FDI inflows. What does that mean? It means that when the environment feels volatile, investors either retract their decisions or wait for the storm to pass. Interestingly, while global and regional uncertainties also cast shadows, their direct impact on Nigeria is not always statistically significant, unless those shocks cross into our physical borders in Nigeria. However, we also found that rising inflation and trade openness during times of high uncertainty can further drive away FDI. The question for policymakers, therefore, is how do we break this cycle? The answer lies in our financial system. Our study found a remarkable moderating role for financial development. While uncertainties initially hurt FDI, when we interact those uncertainties with a well-developed financial system, the total effect actually becomes positive. Why? Because the financial sector is the economy's central transmitter. A sophisticated financial system reduces frictions and provides the liquidity needed to keep consumption and investment moving even when times are tough. It also allows firms to implement high-return projects during uncertainty and enables them to meet held-back demand the moment the air clears. Essentially, a strong financial sector acts as a shock absorber, insulating Nigeria from both domestic and global volatility. Uncertainty is inevitable, but our response is a choice. We must act with knowledge, not fear. To build this resilience, we propose 4 key policy shifts. 1. Legal and regulatory stability. We need frameworks that ensure business operations continue regardless of the political or economic climate. This includes business-friendly and monetary policies that expand credit during recessions. 2. The Uncertainty Fund. The Central Bank of Nigeria should consider a special fund contributed to by deposit money banks that foreign investors can access to maintain operations during peak periods of uncertainty. Number 3, tech-driven supervision. We must leverage technology for better oversight of our financial institutions to identify risks before they become crises. And number 4, inflation targeting. The Central Bank of Nigeria must intensify its commitment to price stability. Low inflation is a powerful signal to the world that Nigeria is safe, stable for capital. Finally, we must integrate risk control mechanisms into our trade and investment policies to address global shocks without resorting to restrictive trade measures. In conclusion, Nigeria's potential is vast, but our growth depends on our ability to manage the unknown. By reforming our financial sector and strengthening our regulatory landscape, we don't just survive uncertain times, we thrive in them. A well-developed financial system isn't just a goal, it is our best defense. Let's build a Nigeria that remains open for business no matter what the world throws our way.
Thank you for watching this episode. To support what we do at NISER, kindly like this video, share with your networks, and subscribe to this channel. We look forward to hearing your opinion on this discourse in the comment section. See you next time.